Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks slid as higher US Treasury yields hit growth stocks amid prospects of aggressive monetary policy tightening, with investor sentiment taking a hit from fears of a sharp economic slowdown in China. Cryptocurrencies have shed $1.6 trillion in market value since hitting an all-time high 7 months ago, as interest rate rises send investors fleeing from the riskiest corners of global financial markets. The global chip shortage continues to cause problems for automakers, to the point where some are shipping vehicles without all of their advertised features, like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10:00 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 0900 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Japan's JP Foreign Reserves at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.